Hello, my name is Dr. Rubina Azam. I'm a practicing physician in the state of Florida in the United States. And I'm here for the hands-on training course, A4M Dubai. And as far as my experience, where do I start? It's been amazing. Dr. Maria, all her colleagues and the supporting staff have been very good. I've been learning so much. It's been top-notch training, and I wish I knew about it before. I would have come here before. I highly recommend it to everyone. I mean, the way they're explaining everything, the way they are teaching us, all the pearls that she's had from years of her experience, she's sharing them with us, what are the possible complications, the safety issues, what to do, what not to do, the landmarks, the anesthesia. I mean, everything is just, again, top notch. I highly, highly recommend it to everyone.